Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can remove the surrounding areas of chart and graph in Power BI. So when you change the background of your dashboard and surrounding areas of your text or graphs shows up, so it does not look good. So now I'll take you to my PC and show you how to do it. So you can see here, this is my Power BI dashboard. And you can see I have already added background, but you can see sales report in text is white showing in pie chart, and this bar chart as well. This white is showing. I don't want that, so I want to remove it. It is not looking good. So let's follow the steps to remove it. So before doing that, you need to select a chart. So first select this chart, just tap on this, then only the option will show, otherwise the option will not show. So after selecting the chart, you need to go to visualization, and you can see there is an option of this format your visuals, and you just need to tap on this. We first click on this format your visual, then click on this journal option, and after that you need to scroll down a bit. You need to click on effects option. You can see background is showing here. Just tap on this background. At present it is white. You can select any blue type of this. You can see background is changed now. You can modify it accordingly, like this. Now it is matching, I think, but chart is not showing properly. So you can again select the chart and again go to format, then click on the journal option, then click on this effects, then click on this in white. If you select white, the complete chart is showing, because blue is also there in the chart. So what you can do, you can change the color of this this blue in the chart. Okay, so you can scroll down a bit more. You can change the chart color as well. It is very easy. Or you can select any other color from here, like light blue you can select. Now a little bit is showing. You can also change the color of the text here in visuals. You can see these are the other options. You just follow the title is turned on and off. You can see here from here. Change the color of the title from here. You can look for the more colors. You can look for this. It will change. All the customization is possible here. You can see background color. You can change it according to your needs. You can make it black as well. You can, I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. So match that color which also shows your, which is not there in your pie. So you can change it from here, a little light color. Look for any light color. So this light color is looking a little bit okay for me. So now let's select this and click on journal and effects and change the color. Blue is fine for this. I will change the text color from here. So little customization needs some time. It will be okay if you select it and make the things work for you. Select all these things. You can see now from earlier it is looking little bit better. Now select this chart and go to journal. Now go to effects, can change it. You can use the light color only, the same one. So it is looking at least better than before, and you can do further customization according to your needs. Then change the color wisely. Do some other customization like dragging and dropping it to the appropriate place. So I hope friends, now you will be able to customize, and these are the options which you need to use. You can use all these options after selecting this chart only. You can also look for the more options from here and do other changes like show the table, and you can do all other changes from here, like some of the quantity you can make it larger. And so I hope friends, now you will be able to customize your dashboard using these options and change the colors and themes, everything. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.